How to get a prenuptial agreement in Nevada or in Las Vegas. Hello everybody, my name is Daniel WIAFE and I am the owner and the director of marketing of Vegas Divorce Pros out here in beautiful and sunny Las Vegas, Nevada. Alright, we are not attorneys, we can't give you legal advice, and we are registered by the state as a legal document preparation service. So we can prepare your documents and get them filed with the court, okay? But let's go ahead and answer that question. How can you get a prenuptial agreement or a prenup in the state of Nevada, all right? So the question would beg itself for you to ask, why would somebody need a prenuptial agreement, okay? And before I get into this, the meat of this topic, you guys, if you are needing a free consultation or you want to get started with your prenuptial, make sure you go to our website that is right below my finger. Not this little sanitizer bottle, but this website is right below my finger at vegasdivorcepros.com, and you can schedule a free 15-minute phone consultation, okay? But the reason why people would need a prenuptial agreement, you guys, is for the simple fact that Nevada is a community property state, okay? That means that any property that you have or that you gain during the time of marriage, if you do get a divorce, that property gets split down the middle. So if you get houses, vehicles, bank accounts, retirement plans, any type of big ticket item, for the most part, you guys, is considered community property when you get it during the time of your marriage, okay? Now, what you want to do, if I was in your shoes, is you definitely want to protect your assets. You want to protect your property from going to your spouse, okay? So maybe you have an agreement that, hey, maybe I'll give her 30% if we should get divorced, or maybe I'll give her 20%, okay? Doesn't really matter, all right? But basically, at its essence, you guys, a prenuptial agreement can be considered something to the effect of marriage insurance, okay? Because the fact of the matter is this: everybody marries for love, obviously, but the facts behind it is that 50% of marriages in the United States are going to end in divorce, okay? So nobody gets married thinking that they're going to get a divorce, but sad but true, 50% of all marriages are going to end in divorce. Now, if your marriage is the one out of two marriages that end in divorce, do you really want to put yourself in a position where you get cracked and you lose your retirement plan, your houses, your finances, your assets, your property, your houses, your businesses? Do you want to put yourself in that position? No. Okay, you shouldn't, all right? So that's why with a prenuptial agreement, you guys, that is considered marriage insurance, okay? You want to protect your best interests, okay? Just in case. And I know it's not romantic, you're with your sweetie, you're with your honey, and you're about to get married, your fiance. You don't want to talk about that, okay? But that's something that needs to be talked about, all right? So what you're going to put down in your prenuptial agreement, you guys, is you want to put down how you guys will distribute your property, okay? And we can help you with that, okay? So what you want to do with your property that you're coming into the marriage with, and what you will do with any assets or property that you gain during the time of marriage, okay? That's very, very, very important, okay? And the prenuptial agreements, they need to be done in the correct manner so that they don't get kicked out of court just in case you need to use it in a divorce, okay? And then there's a few other things that need to be discussed, all right? Especially when it comes to kids, all right, in prenuptial agreements, because some people think that you can put down child support in the prenuptial agreements, which you can't, okay? So basically, you guys, at the end of the day, that's definitely something that is needed for all marriages, okay? Get yourself a prenuptial agreement. Give us a call up, Vegas Divorce Pros, all right? We're the experts, we're the pros and the professionals in this space. We'll give you a free 15-minute phone consultation and just go over your different options. Go to the website that's right below my finger or right below here. It's somewhere on there. And we'll definitely make sure we point you in the right direction to get a prenuptial agreement, all right? So that being said, you guys, Daniel WIAFE, Vegas Divorce Pros, get a prenup, protect your assets. Bye.